Let's look at how to access cloudLibrary from the PLS main page. So I'm on peacelibrarysystem.ab.ca, and I'm going to go to eResources, which is in the top right here. And when I click on that, it brings up a big alphabetical list of all of the subscribed eResources we have. I'm going to scroll down to C for cloudLibrary. And before I click into it, I just want to make note of all the links we have down here. So we have some brochures and some video tutorials to help navigate cloudLibrary. But I'm going to click on the heading, and it's going to bring us to the resource. Now from here, we can download the app through desktop. If I click in the top right, download app, it's going to bring us to this page from cloudLibrary. And I can scroll down and it actually tells me all the different devices that there is a cloudLibrary app for. But I will show you what it looks like on a mobile screen. To access cloudLibrary on a mobile device, we're going to have to download it from an app store. So I'm using an Android device in this example, but it's going to be very similar to how you would download it from an Apple device as well. So we're going to go to the Google Play Store. On an Apple device, it would be the Apple Store. And we're going to search for cloudLibrary. So this is what it looks like. This is what the icon looks like. CL for cloudLibrary by Biblioteca Ltd. or Biblioteca Limited. So this is the one you're going to want to download. And once downloaded, it should appear on your screen as an app just like this.